In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, we conclude our coverage of the second annual In-Demand Jobs Week with a recap of Chancellor Gardner's activities through the latter part of the week. The Lakefront Marina in Port Clinton welcomed the Chancellor along with Lieutenant Governor John Husted and Department of Natural Resources Director Mary Mertz on Thursday of last week for the launch of the Marine Trades Apprenticeship Program. The program is part of the Great Lakes Community Action Partnership's Marine Trades Program that began in 2001. The apprenticeship program, which lasts about 14 weeks, is the first of its kind in Ohio. Students in the program will learn about boating safety and watercraft maintenance, among other skills, and be prepared for careers at a marina or boatyard or as a charter captain, to name just a few. Chancellor Gardner said both the program and Lake Erie are vital to the region and the state.
This lake was given to us. We didn't earn it. We didn't create it. It was given to us, and we have a responsibility to do all we can to preserve it, protect it, and to create a dynamic economy that helps accentuate the value that this lake has for us.
From there, the Chancellor traveled to Bowling Green State University's Firelands campus to give brief remarks at a meeting of the Firelands Partnership, a group dedicated to growing the economy and enhancing the quality of life in the region through collaborations between education, business, and government entities. The Chancellor capped In-Demand Jobs Week by visiting two schools on Friday of last week. Rhodes State College and Interim President Dr. Cynthia Spears hosted the Chancellor and Department of Job and Family Services Director Kimberly Hall for an apprenticeship partner showcase. The event allowed area businesses, including Ford, Grobe Systems, and Coldwater Machine Company, to feature their apprenticeship program and provide an overview of what their apprentices learn and how the program prepares them for a successful future. Chancellor Gardner's next stop was North Central State College, where President Dory Diab joined him on a tour of the various classrooms and training facilities in the school's Kehoe Center, as well as North Central State's mobile classroom. After the tour, Chancellor Gardner donned his regalia and joined the procession for North Central State's commencement ceremony, during which he gave the commencement address for the class of 2019. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed. And check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.